Hi guys, my name is Chinecherem and today I would be starting a very interactive and educative talk show called Q with Chinecherem. Now Q stands for questions with Chinecherem. What is this talk show about? So in this talk show I would be discussing topics or answering questions that relates to money, investments, business, and just entrepreneurship as a whole. So again, I said it's interactive, so please guys make sure that you share your opinions in every video, and also feel free to ask your questions. You can DM me your questions, you can drop your questions on the comment section. That's actually preferable so that other people can see your questions as well, and feel free to email me as well. My email would be in my bio. So that being said, let's jump right into today's question. The key of today is this a good time to launch a business? So now I have a friend, she asked this question. My friend is asking, with the craziness going on in the world, the economy, the fear, the anxiety, is this a good time to start or launch a business? And the reason she's asking is because, according to her, she said a day before the lockdown, she was about to sign a lease. She was about to sign a commercial lease to get a retail space somewhere in LA. To start up a business, and this business is something she's been wanting to do for a long time. So but now, since everything has changed, since California had a lockdown, and now that we are reopening, is this a good time to launch the business? So that's our question. So guys, please feel free to drop your comments, your opinions in the comment section, as your opinions would not only be helping answer her question, it would also be answering some other people that may have the same questions as well. So feel free to please drop your comments. And also in this talk show, I would also be using this platform to promote small businesses, and in order to qualify, you would have to be following me on Instagram, which is at Chinecherem. You would also have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Now the link to my YouTube channel is going to be on my bio, and my YouTube channel is going to be called Q with Chinecherem, which is the show. So guys, today I will be promoting a friend's business. Her name is Kim Hawthorne. She's an American actress and a businesswoman. She launched a product called the Regal Wrap that she launched it a couple of years back, and this is one of the head wraps. It comes in different colors. It already comes pre-tied, pre-made. All you have to do is just strap it on your head and take a walk. So you can use it for bad hair days, you can use it at business events, you can use it to go to your workplace, just as you choose. I would be dropping her business and personal handles on the caption below, so please follow her to get yourself one of these amazing, gorgeous looking head wraps. So now, do not forget that the question of today is this a good time to launch a business? Now, also for me to share my opinions, I would be going live on Monday, so Monday next week. I'll be going live on Monday, 4 p.m. Pacific time. So if you don't live in California, so please feel free to check the time on Google so you can see when to join us on Monday, as I would be inviting a friend of mine as well who happens to be an entrepreneur. She would be sharing her opinion and thoughts as well. So until we see you guys on Monday, 4 p.m. Pacific time, do not forget to follow my Instagram page at Chinecherem. Also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Q with Chinecherem. And until we see you on Monday, please stay safe and be blessed.